Hey everyone, Vaishali here. Welcome back to our Engineers class 202, where we are going to learn chapter first, Mathematical Logic. Let's continue. Next example is, if statements P, Q are true and R, S are false, determine the truth values of the following. Here following statement is given, so its solution is, write down first following statement. Negation of P and Q or negation of R. So it is equivalent to, so write down its truth values. Negation of P, here P, Q are true and R, S are false. So its truth value is true. And Q also true. So write here true, or negation of R. Negation of R, the value of R is false. Therefore write here false. So this is equivalent to, we know that negation of truth is false. So its negation is false. And T as it is, or its negation is true. So this is equal to F, and we know that true or true is equal to true. For both true or is true, otherwise it's false. So here its value is true. And for and or conjunction, we know that if both are true, then its value is true, otherwise false. So here false and true is equal to false. Therefore the truth value of this statement is false. Therefore negation of P and Q or negation of R is equal to false. Therefore truth value of given statement is false. Okay, next example is, P or and negation R and negation Q or S. So its solution is, this is equivalent to, write its truth value. So P, its truth value is T, and negation of R is false. So write F, and negation of Q is true, or S false. So write false. This is equivalent to T and negation of false true, and negation of true false. It is false or false. True and true, we know that for conjunction, if both are true, then its value is true. And for disjunction, if both are false, then its value is false. So it is false. And for conjunction, if both are true, then it is true, otherwise it is false. So its truth value is false. So the truth value of given statement is false. Therefore truth value is false. Our next example is, negation of P conditional Q by conditional R and S. So this is equal to negation of P conditional Q or P implies Q. Both have truth value true. Therefore truth by conditional R and S both have truth value false. and false. False and false. So this is equal to negation of truth implies truth. We know that if P and Q have value truth and false, then it is false. In other cases, it is true. So, for true implies true, it is true. Therefore, negation of its value is truth. Double implication, for false and false, we know that it is false, because only it is true when both have truth value true. Therefore, negation of truth is false. False, biconditional, false. And for biconditional, we know that if both values are same, if they are true, true, or false, false, then it is true. So here both are same values, false, false. Therefore, its truth value is true. Therefore, the truth value of given statement is true. Therefore, its truth value is true. Okay, next example is negation of P implies Q and R double conditional S. So, its truth value is negation of P, its truth value T, implies Q, its truth value is T, and R biconditional S, RS both are false. Therefore, false, biconditional, false. This is equal to negation of T, false, implies T, and we know that for biconditional, if both values are same, then its truth value is true. This is equivalent to, and for implication, we know that for implication, if first is true and second is false, then its truth value is false. Otherwise, it is true. So, its truth value is true and true. And for conjunction, if both have truth value true, then its truth value is true. So, the truth value of given statement is true. Hence, its truth value is true. Its truth value is true. Okay, next example is write the negations of the following. So, first is price increases. Its negation is price does not increase. Price increases, its negation is price does not increase. It's very simple. Second equation is 0 factorial is not equal to 1. So, its negation is 0 factorial is equal to 1. 0 factorial is equal to 1. And third example, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So, its negation is 5 plus 4 is not equal to 9. Okay, this is everything for today. If you have any problem regarding to this topic, then leave us in the comment section. If you like this video, please share to others so that other people can find this lesson. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.